LANDCRUISER update. So while I'm letting parts that I just painted, my little mobile here, I did all those, cleaned them all up, ground out the rust, replaced any metal with new metal, POR'd them. So we got the tie rod ends, the sway bar, skid plate, and this sway bar brackets where the bushings go. I'm going to pull the transmission back and inspect the clutch, see what it looks like. I've already loosened off the bolts. I'm just about to do the bolts on the transmission mount. Disconnect these 4 bolts, pull that back, and then pull the bell housing back and inspect the clutch, see how it is. I'm guessing I'm gonna have to replace it, so we'll see how that goes. And just before I pull the transmission, check this out, what I got in the mail yesterday. Ready? Boom. Let me turn the camera on. Check this out. New panels. Stamped and ready to go. Won't get to this for a while, but they just arrived. Oh yeah, that's gonna be awesome. So we've got this piece, quarter panel, front fender, awesome. The other rear quarter, dog leg, and in this box, new rockers. Oh yeah, you can see how rusted mine are, so I've got new rockers for both sides. I'm not going to be getting to that for a while, but it's exciting that I've got the stuff all here. Anyway, back to the transmission. So far I've taken off the rear propeller shaft, disconnected this propeller shaft, undid all these connections, and just loosen off these bolts so far.
pop off. Is it still connected in there? No, when it lowered down, it grabbed the fork, right? Lost my camera.
Alright, transmission's been pulled back, gearbox. You can see all the grease up and around here, so I'm guessing the main seal going. So next I'm going to pull off the flywheel and clutch, pull all that back, take a look inside. And you can see all the built up grease in here, clutch fork, your boot. What I'm going to do is sit that in here and let it soak. Get all that grease off. Finished pulling this off, and after examination I need to replace basically everything: clutch, flywheel, throw out bearing, and the main seal. And while we're at it, we're going to change this bearing as well. That's it.